Alright, so my name is Maharshi Chawda and today I'm going to share a detailed portfolio sample with all of my graphic design clients and all of my customer who are looking for really great design in terms of short period of time. So this is my licensed software called Affinity Designer, and I'm also using the Affinity Photo for editing the graphic stuff and editing the photos. So as you can see, this is the ZAS Electronics logo, and this is the one of the portfolio project from my graphic design. And in this video I'm going to showing you every single stuff that I prepared in this Affinity design software using my creativity, brainstorming, and the peace of mind where this concept can be very useful for industrial purpose. Also, this is the work sample asked by one of my company, and they said that build something with ZAS word and electronics sentence. So this is what I build for. So you can see this is fully sketched version, uh, fully vectorized sketch. I'm going to showing you colored version in a few seconds, but this is the sketch. You can see all these lines are fully vectorized and fully resizable, high DPI and extremely precise. It does overlap some of the elements, but that is you can see once the design I'm going to showing you on a colored version. Now I'm going to switch to retina pixel mode so you can see the retinas and pixels. You can see that pixel are showing pretty clearly when the near. So this is the pixels. So pixels are really useful when you're going to print out this logo on a plain paper or on a material such as wood, clothes or metal. It just really depends on you. So now I'm going to showing you pixel view mode. This is the crystal clear. You can see completely crystal clear. So this is the mockup version. First I prepared the sketch version, vector sketch. Then I prepared the embossed logo and the concept of ZAS electronics. I focused very less on a typography because I think the symbol is way more important than the ZAS electronics. So this is Z, this is A. I flipped the A so it's look like A, and this is S. So ZAS, and this is the electronics connection that indicates this is a electronics related something. So in my mind I prepared this logo that ZAS electronics preparing the semiconductors, microcontroller chips and lots of electronic items. So this is how the ZAS electronics logo looks like when it printed on the circuit. The next thing is this is a ZAS different version. This is the ZAS electronics with text. This is the black and white version, and this is a light gray black and white version of ZAS electronics. This is useful when you print this logo on a box material. This is a typography. You can see when we shrink out this logo typography down, it should look like small, little bit bigger, little bit of bigger more, and this is the final biggest. However, this is the vector version, so you can resize any size of you like. Completely up to you. I mean, it's completely up to the client or customer that how they can resize. I'm definitely going to send the source file so you can resize in the future, or you can contact me to resize. This is the how ZAS look like when ZAS printed on embedded circuit. So this is just a mock-up purpose, but this is how it going to look like when you print on a circuit. So this is the showcase of ZAS logo. Now I'm going to showing you the vector version. This is the single vector version, and this is the 2 sample. This is how it's going to look when black and white. This is how it's going to look when on embossed style. I'm going to upload this video on a LinkedIn, as well as I'm going to upload this video on my portfolio where I am using. So you are watching the Maharshi Chawda's portfolio of ZAS electronics graphics, graphic design logo sample, and I'm specifically designing many types of logo in upcoming months, upcoming days, and hopefully you guys are really enjoying this video.